guys, here's a good look at the core support. This is the bulk of the damage on my daughter's Avenger. And I didn't get video at the junkyard because it was right up front and they don't like you filming inside. But there's the core support. There's the new hood, well, new used. And there's the, that's actually the bad fender. Here's the good fender. Right there. I was unable to find a bumper, but I think I can reuse this bumper. The only part that's broken is right here. It's about a 3-inch piece. That is a part of the grille assembly. I got a new grille. It does not have chrome. It's color matched. So that will be getting put on today, or over the course of the next 2 days, depending on how the weather outlook sits. So that all being said, I got a set of also got a set of new headlights, so that should be a plus. So I should have everything I need to put this thing back together. I'm gonna put on a time lapse, so you might not see a ton of real close up stuff, but I'll at least throw the assembly video back together. Also, while I'm thinking about it in here, I got this in the mail the other night. I actually filmed a little bit. I might do an unopening video on it. guys, as you can see, got most of the front end put together. I had to stop last night. The hinges back there were bad, so I went to the junkyard this morning and picked these up in the rain, which was a treat. On the ones that are on the car still, this here was very badly bent. I tried to take them in and beat them on the anvil and kind of square them up, but it was just being more of a pain in the ass than it was worth. So I went and picked new ones up, and then I don't know if you've seen on the other one, but I worked on this fender a little bit on this corner because it's kind of been out of shape, and this piece has actually really been out of shape. But it still isn't lining up right, and it kind of aggravated me. To get the hinge out, I had to take all the fender bolts out. So the only thing that's holding the fender right now is that it's hooked over the lip, and then down here there's 2 bolts. So while I was there, I picked up another fender. Unfortunately, this one is not the same color. However, it's the color that I sprayed here, which you can still see that faded spot. I got to hit this again, but it's going to have to wait till it's dry. But it's really close to the factory color. It's actually the color of my Impala. It's like a medium blue. But it'll be close enough for this thing. I mean, it's not, it's not a great car. It's kind of a little beater. But she's 16. It's her first car. At least want to make it somewhat close to one color. So I'm probably going to do the hood today and maybe get the bumper and grill on. I don't know that I will have the fender on because I think I want to paint the fender off the car. So that's where we're at. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, here's the quarter freshly painted, just sitting here to dry. Again, it's not the exact color. It's really close shade of navy blue. Sitting together with my Impala, the 2 cars look like the exact same color. So I'm assuming once this thing gets dried and cured, I'll put it on the car, and it should be pretty close. It's not going to be perfect, but it's better than it being silver and standing out like a sore thumb. So now that I got that thing painted, I will get back and turn my attention back to the car a little bit.